Who is Reliable Gaskets USA? Well, let's start with saying we are the fastest growing gasket company in the country, and we are probably the largest gasket company in the country. So what does that mean for you? Well, because we are a manufacturer of these products, we have 3 different manufacturing facilities. That means when you buy from us, you're buying factory direct, and we also do those installations at a cost-effective rate. So if you're not using Reliable Gaskets for your commercial kitchen repairs, you're spending too much. So what does Reliable Gaskets actually do? Well, we are your service techs for your commercial equipment. So currently, if you're using a refrigeration company to do your gaskets and handles and hinges, your caster replacements, your closers, things of that nature, you're spending too much. What you need to do is buy wholesale from us and let our teams come in and do the installations. You see, we're not refrigeration techs at all. We're the handyman for the equipment that you own. So using a handyman versus a $200 an hour refrigeration tech, you're gonna save a lot of money. On top of that, you're gonna be buying wholesale from the company that's actually manufacturing this equipment. So factory direct to you means cost effectiveness. So why Reliable Gaskets USA? Why would you use Reliable Gaskets USA versus maybe someone that you're using currently or your refrigeration contractor? Well, number one, cost. We are the handyman of the kitchen. So we're not gonna be charging you trip charges, hourly, flag hours, or whatever else these companies do these days. And we're not gonna be charging you at $100 an hour. We have flat rate pricing. There's no surprises. Here's the price, here's the product, here's the installation, and we're done. Now we're proactive. What we want to do is come to your location every 3 to 4 months, provide you a report of what we find. We're gonna let you know if it's good or bad. Many times, after a couple cycles, you're not gonna have any repairs. So that means we're staying ahead of it. The health inspectors are coming in. Gaskets will never be an issue. Food temp issues will never be an issue when it comes to our equipment, making sure the doors close, making sure they stay closed, and when they are closed, that the gasket's actually sealing. All these issues just go away because that's our job, not yours. You have a restaurant to run, food to get pushed out. You do not need to be worrying about the actual gasket or a hinge or a caster or the big door in the back not closing. That's on us. That's what we want to take care of. We are proactive and we are very reliable, hence the name. Look, it's obvious with the accountability, the cost effectiveness, and everything that I've described here today that this is the way to go. You need to pick up the phone or email us, call us, whatever you need to do. Get a hold of us today. Book your free surveys. We'll be out there to take care of you and your kitchens. The greatest part of step 1 with working with us, it's totally free. Have us come out. If you don't like what you see, we'll move on. But we know you will, and we're excited to work with you. So call us today. Thanks.